Hi, my name is Sophia Brad. I am a model and a makeup artist, and I am 38 years old. There's just something about having a good hair day, right? Like, you feel like almost the sun shines better or brighter when you walk out of the house, a little bit of breeze hits your hair and you just go like, feel so much more confident. So yeah, definitely it's so important for confidence to have good hair, and I feel that KERASILK has done that for my hair. The Redensifying Shampoo did exactly what it needed to do, because my hair is fine, but I've got a lot of it. It doesn't hold, so it needed to be retexturized. When I washed it, I felt how my hair was getting that little bit of extra texture, which I knew that when I'm going to be styling it, it's going to have a better grip. So when I went into styling my hair, I used the Multi-Benefit Hair Oil, which then added extra little bit of moisture to my hair and then locked it in. I have found that if I have products for my hair that are a little bit on the luxurious side, it is seen and it shows, because my hair just has a different kind of texture and it's just looking a little bit more luxurious. The smell of the product is absolutely amazing. It just smelled really fresh. It wasn't an overpowering kind of scent. It was just right.